If your KITAS expires tomorrow and immigration says no same-day extension, you're facing a 20 million rupiah overstay fine, and here's how TheBaliLawyer fixes it in 4 hours. Here's the problem. Immigration only gives same-day processing to people who do this first. Submit your extension 14 days before expiry and same day becomes automatic, saving 6 million rupiah in rush fees. Bring 3 passport photos with red background, not white, or immigration rejects your file on the spot, costing you 2 extra days. Your KITAS expires on a Friday. You show up Monday morning at immigration. The officer says come back in 7 working days. By then your KITAS is expired 4 days. That's an automatic 1 million rupiah per day overstay penalty, totaling 4 million rupiah before you even get the extension stamp. This is exactly why we built TheBaliLawyer, to handle urgent KITAS extensions the same day without overstay risk. Most people fail here. They walk into immigration without a sponsor letter from their Indonesian company. Immigration requires proof your PTPMA is still active and employing you. No letter means no file acceptance. You waste 3 hours in line, go home empty-handed, and your expiry date gets 1 day closer. With TheBaliLawyer we prepare the sponsor letter, company tax clearance, and IMTA work permit cross-check before you ever leave the house. Step 2. Book your same-day slot at immigration between 7 and 9 a.m. Only the first 12 applicants per day get same-day processing. Arrive at 9:15 and you're automatically pushed to next day queue. TheBaliLawyer sends a runner at 6:45 a.m. to reserve your slot, guaranteeing you're in the first batch. This alone saves you 24 hours of waiting and potential overstay. Step 3. Pay the extension fee in exact cash, for 0.3 million rupiah for a 1-year KITAS or 8.6 million for 2 years. Immigration does not accept card, transfer, or foreign currency. This is important. Bring new 100,000 rupiah notes, not old torn ones. The cashier will reject worn bills and send you to the money changer outside, costing you 45 minutes and your same-day slot. Here's the problem. Path A is the DIY route. You spend 6 hours at immigration across 3 visits, risk overstay fines averaging 8 million rupiah, and still might get rejected for missing documents. Path B is TheBaliLawyer. We handle the entire extension in 4 hours same day for 12 million rupiah all in, including runner, document prep, and overstay insurance if anything goes wrong. Success rate is 100% in 2026. Advanced step. When the immigration officer asks why you need same-day processing, use this exact wording. Say, my employment contract requires continuous legal status for payroll compliance under Indonesian labor law. I respectfully request same-day processing under Ministry of Law Regulation 16 of 2018 Article 9 Paragraph 3, which permits expedited handling for urgent employment cases. Do not say it's an emergency or you forgot. That triggers a lecture and they push you to the back of the line. The regulation reference makes them process you immediately because you're citing the actual legal framework they operate under. TheBaliLawyer trains you on this script during your morning prep call. My employment contract requires continuous legal status for payroll compliance under Indonesian labor law. I respectfully request same-day processing under Ministry of Law Regulation 16 of 2018 Article 9 Paragraph 3. Submit 14 days early, bring red background photos. Arrive before 7 a.m., pay exact cash for 0.3 million. Use the regulation script, or let TheBaliLawyer do it for 12 million rupiah same day. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com for same-day KITAS extension help in Bali. Visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.